Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best folding electric bike and perfect for everyday use. So let's get started. Number 1. Jasion X Hunter PRO. Jasion X Hunter PRO ST electric bike for adults 1800/1400W peak 20-foot fat tire foldable e-bikes folding a bike up to 80/70 miles range 30 mph 720/624 removable battery certified by UL 2849. Bike type folding bike brand Jasion number of speeds 7 color summit white wheel size 20 inches frame material aluminum suspension type dual special feature foldable included components battery, charger, e-bike, kickstand, toolkit. 1400W peak motor, 750W motor, 1400W peak. With 30 miles per hour top speed, 85 Nm torque, and 7-speed gearing for powerful performance. 48V13 a removable battery, delivers 55 to 70 miles per charge with a secure, lockable battery design for added theft protection. Foldable aluminum frame, lightweight 71 pounds foldable design for easy storage and transport, suitable for riders 5 foot 4 inch 6'5". 20 inch by 4.0 inch fat tires, all-terrain fat tires with front and 4-link rear suspension plus hydraulic disc brakes for a smooth, stable ride. Number 2. Cybervelo 1000W folding electric bike for adults Cybervelo 1000W, peak 2000W, folding electric bike for adults 35 mph 100 mile 48V40 a removable battery 20-inch x4. Zero fat tire foldable electric bicycle 8-speed electric mountain e-bike, commuter bikes bike type electric bike brand Cybervelo wheel size 20 inches frame material magnesium suspension type dual special feature dual disc brake, dual suspension, foldable included components battery, charger, pump, toolkit, user manual 2000W peak motor 1000W brushless motor, 2000W peak, with 35 plus mph top speed, 8-speed transmission, and 60, 100 plus miles range. 48V40 a removable battery, high-capacity waterproof battery with up to 100 miles per charge and dual charging options. 20 inch by 4.0 inch fat tires, durable all-terrain tires for excellent traction on sand, snow, gravel, and rough roads. Dual suspension and hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear suspension with hydraulic brakes for a smooth, comfortable, and safe ride. 90% pre-assembled, easy setup with a 365-day warranty and responsive customer support. Number 3. Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike. Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike with 40 miles, pedal assist 1. By 48V battery, 20 miles per hour power by peak 500W, adult electric bicycle with 5 pedal assist levels and LCD display, suitable for commuting bike type electric bike frame type folding age range adult brand Gotrax number of speeds 5 color black wheel size 20 inches frame material aluminum suspension type rigid special feature foldable, lightweight, portable 500W peak motor reaches up to 20 miles per hour, ideal for commuting, campus, and everyday riding. 48V 7.8 Ah battery up to 15. 5 miles in pure electric mode or 25 miles with pedal assist, fully charges in 5.5 hours. Foldable design compact folding frame for easy storage and transport in car trunks or public transit. Dual disc brakes and safety features reliable braking with LED headlight, rear reflector, and bell for safer riding. 3 riding modes, multiple riding options with UL 2849 certification, 365-day parts support, and 24/7 customer service. Number 4. TST electric bike for adults. TST electric bike for adults, 1500W folding e-bike removable battery 40/60 mile range, 20 by 4 fat tire bike for commute, electric bicycle with LCD display 7-speed SGS certified to UL 2849 bike type electric bike age range adult brand TST GRP LLC number of speeds 7 color hematite. Wheel size 20 inches. Frame material aluminum. Suspension type front. Special feature dual disc brake, foldable, headlight, LCD display, multi-speed. Wheel width 4 inches. 1200W peak motor, powerful motor with 80 Nm torque, capable of climbing 30-degree slopes and handling all-terrain rides. Removable battery, SGS and UL 2849 certified waterproof battery with 40 to 60 miles range and about 5-hour charging time. 20-inch foldable design, folds in 3 seconds for easy storage in car trunks, apartments, and offices. Full suspension and safety features, 20-inch puncture-resistant fat tires, full suspension, dual mechanical disc brakes, LED lights, and LCD display. Class 2/Class 3 modes, multiple riding modes with upgraded speed options for commuting and off-road use. 180-day warranty, responsive customer support with a 180-day warranty and assistance within 24 hours. Number 5. SASIKEIBIKE 1500W Folding Electric Bike for Adult. SASIKEIBIKE 1500W Folding Electric Bike for Adult 52V20A Removable Battery bike with 70-mile max 20-inch x 4.0 fat tire e-bike, foldable dual suspension electric bicycle for commute, mountain bike type electric bike number of speed 7 suspension type dual additional features dual disc brake, foldable brake style disc specific uses for product trail power source electric motor. Lithium battery energy content 1040 watt-hours. Electric assist type pedal assist, throttle assist age range adult brand name Veblu included components toolkit model name E7 manufacturer SASIKEIBIKE. 1500W peak motor, high torque brushless motor with powerful acceleration and effortless 30 degrees hill climbing. 52V20A removable battery, delivers 40 to 70 miles per charge, fully recharges in 6 to 8 hours, with a hidden waterproof design. 20-inch x 4. 0-inch fat tires and full suspension, dual suspension and fat tires provide a smooth, stable ride on all terrains with 180mm dual disc brakes. Smart LCD display and LED headlight, large display shows speed, battery, and mileage, with 5 pedal assist levels, bright headlight, rear rack, and fenders. Foldable design, compact folding frame for easy storage and transport in cars, apartments, or offices. 90% pre-assembled, includes a 1-year warranty on the motor, battery, and charger, plus responsive customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.